Today we're going to be learning about Christmas in Italy. So we are still on the continent of Europe, so we didn't travel quite as far as we did yesterday. And right here you can see a picture of the Colosseum, which is in Rome, which is one of the big cities of Italy. In Italy, children wait until January 6th to get presents from La Befana. La Befana is a kind of witch who is said to still be looking for baby Jesus. Children spend time with their families feasting, singing, and reciting Christmas poems. So there are some similarities in what we do, right? We eat and we might sing, but they don't say it's Santa, right? They say it's La Befana. So make sure you head to the next video so we can do our paper together on Italy.